Hi baby dolls, I'm Farouk Aruna and welcome back to the vlog. It's been a hot minute since I actually vlogged and I can't remember the last time I vlogged. It was Ramadan, I guess. Was it the 8th or the 10th? I can't actually remember the last time I vlogged. I had a lot of content that I wanted to put out on YouTube, literally a lot during Ramadan. But then, I don't know, they somehow got lost and I can't find them because the kids in our house literally deleted everything. And I was sad for some days. I didn't film anymore because I was just so devastated and all that. That being said, I'm currently in Abuja. I came to Abuja after like 5 years of us moving back to Kano. We are here with Umu. She's here to see doctors and all that because you guys know she has been sick. So that's that. And I'm going to be here for maybe a week. I'm not sure. So I'm going to be vlogging most of my life here. We arrived here like 2 days ago. 3 days ago, and I forgot to vlog. I literally forgot to vlog anything. But then I promise you guys I will be vlogging for you guys. So I will see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, and welcome back to the vlog. I can't remember when last I left the vlog, but I knew I was talking to you guys and then I went MIA. So today I'm here at the kitchen. As you can see, it's not my regular kitchen because I already told you guys I'm in Abuja. And my assistant chef for today is someone that does not know how to cook, which is very hard just thinking about it. So we are actually going to be making jollof rice with coleslaw and plantain. Literally, that's it. And maybe I'll be making some mocktail. If you have been following me for a very long time, you know I'm obsessed with mocktails. And they're like my favorite thing to make in life. So I'm going to be teaching Mohammed how to cook a lot of stuff today. Let's get started. So first, we are prepping a lot of things. We're already boiling the egg over there. And what else? Here are the things I will be using for today. I don't really know how this vlog is going to go, so I'm trying to freestyle it. Yeah. Hi guys, so I'm done. Here is the rice, and then the salad, and here is the plantain. So we just added chicken, and it's going to be here very soon, and then I'm going to be serving everyone. I don't know where this vlog is going. Maybe I'm gonna post this as a separate vlog, or it is going to be in my Abuja vlog. I don't really know that. Life happens, shit happens. And yeah, if I'm posting that differently, so it's gonna be the first one. And if I'm not posting it, then it's gonna be in my last vlog, in my recent vlog that I'm actually vlogging. So I'll